Furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Hunters Creek local and long-distance movers near me. Planning a long-distance move is incomplete without making provisions for a professional moving company. Fortunately, if you reside in Hunters Creek and want to move to another town because of a job switch or any other reasons, 3 Movers is available to meet your needs. Even if you're moving to Hunters Creek and are unsure how to handle the move without stressing yourself out, 3 Movers is the ideal company to call. If you try to undertake a long-distance move, which usually exceeds a 50-mile radius, without help, there's a lesser chance of success than hiring a moving company. Apart from the need to pack and box your stuff, you'll also need to move the packaged boxes, heavy furniture, and fragile things into a moving van. All these activities are stressful for an individual to handle alone. Many misconceive local distance moves as an easy one because it doesn't exceed 50 miles. Because of that, many have tried to execute it using DIY methods but have come to regret it. At 3 Movers, our clients enjoy the best possible stress-free local moves. Besides being stress-free, our local move services are affordable, ranging between $30 to $40 per hour. Our movers will properly handle all your properties like it's theirs. We also pay special attention to our clients' specific needs at no extra cost. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hunters Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for?